What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. 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 What's up, great people? I know I'm dropping this video like out of order, out of sync, out of the regular go and flow of things, but I'm dropping this video with the idea of needing your help and to be real about things that goes on this channel, okay? And it happens to be about this here pallet deck. Now, this pallet deck is one that has gotten so many views on our channel, one of our most popular videos, and what I strive to do is to be real, you know, upfront and all that good stuff about the things that goes on. And what has been happening is the deterioration of this deck. Now, let me just show you what I'm talking about. So as you can see, like, it's been dry, rotting, and as I take steps, things have been coming apart. And I was doing a little walkthrough today because I saw some other happenings going on, and I made that hole there. That's able to come fully up. I have some other creaks and things like that. I feel like if I was to take a couple of more steps around the pallet deck, there would be more boards that will come apart and broken up and things like that. Now, as I go through all the various comments on the actual video itself where I built this whole pallet deck, I see various ways in which I could have done things better. Of course, this is my first pallet build, my first woodworking build, my first build at all, and so I knew nothing about what I was doing, but I had a heart and a desire to make it happen. So that is what you see, right? This is what love produced for me. But nonetheless, I want to do things better. I want to do things right. I'm, you know, a year plus in the game now, and you know, I want to do things right. So what I thought about doing was ripping up the boards and then putting a piece of plywood on top, then putting some turf or anything on top of that, or a carpet. I thought about as well, but then as I said, as I stepped on it today, things were breaking apart, coming apart, things like that. And I probably don't want to build that on or build anything on top of that because it's not a solid foundation. So one of my thoughts is taking it all up, putting some rocks down and a little sitting area like that with it all on the ground with the rocks, spacing it out. I'm gonna do some mulching and all that stuff too. I'm gonna beautify the place, okay? Don't look at where it is and thinking that's what it's gonna be. But nonetheless, thinking it through, and what I want to do is reach out to you and ask you all, what do you think I should do in the given space with my pallet deck, okay? How should I make it right? How should I do it right? How should I make it safe? Should I rip it up? 1, should I leave it there? 2, should I replace the boards? Because actually, like, the framing of where the boards are is even deteriorating as well. So, you know, I'm thinking it's a total scrap, but if it is a scrap, tell me what I should do. Please don't just say take it up, but please tell me what I could do to replace the space, because I do want a sitting area, a place for my family to be, to view, to be out here with me in the garden, and to be safe nonetheless, okay? And I might even start like grilling up here. I don't know. Can you grill in the front yard? Why not? I got a garden in the front yard. So yeah, I might even start grilling out here as well. So with all that being said, I need this to be right. I need this to be safe. And I'm looking forward to you helping me make this happen. And then us seeing it all come to pass, okay? So with that being said, that's all I need. Comments in the section. Go, 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 go. And then click that bell notification so that you are aware when all the ideas come into fruition and we make this change, okay? All right, peace. Love you all. I appreciate you all. Love you, love you, love you. See ya in the comments, all right? Peace.